Hi viewers, welcome to Linuxmint.com. Today we are going to see about how to install JEdit on Linuxmint-18.03. JEdit is a free and open source Java programming text editor application. It's mainly developed for software developers. It's available for all major operating systems such as Linux, Windows and Mac OS. Okay, now let us see how to install JEdit on Linuxmint-18.03. Here, before starting your installation, you should update our system repository using by apt-get command. The update is complete now. Now finally we have to install the JEdit application. Now the installation successfully completed. Now we have to open the Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type JEdit. The application is on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Now here we can see JEditor application. Now you can able to use this application. Then now here we have to check the version of JEditor. Here we can see the version of JEdit 5.3.0. Thus we have seen how to install JEdit on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscape. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscape.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscape.com.